Polkadot is absolutely exploding right now. There's just so much hype building up around Polkadot as we get closer and closer to seeing those parachain auctions actually happening. And as exciting as all the current price action is, I think we're still just getting started for the Polkadot ecosystem. This is going to be one of the top trending coins of 2021. The only thing I don't like about Polkadot is that I didn't buy more of it when it was $5. What is going on with Polkadot right now, man? This is crazy. The price is just surging massively. It's up like 3x since the start of the year, approximately. It's almost doubled in like the last 2 days. This is one of what I believe the most fundamentally strong layer 1 blockchains out there. In Q1 this year, it's going to go to the next level in terms of actually delivering on technology, making it a true force to be reckoned with. And of course, the hype will build along with that because the Polkadot parachains are going to be launching. With the low fees on Polkadot combined with the very large and growing ecosystem, Polkadot is well poised to capture some serious market share over the next year. Also, here's an interesting bit of information. In Q4 of 2020, 20% of the venture capital entering the crypto markets went into DeFi projects on Polkadot. That is incredible. And Polkadot has also received some very big backing in terms of its ecosystem over the last month. So Huobi announced $5 million to help incubate Polkadot projects. A few weeks later, Binance came out and announced that they're going to be doing $10 million to support development and to help build projects out on the Polkadot chain. So we have some really big money coming in behind the Polkadot ecosystem, and that's two of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges taking some relatively big bets on the future of the Polkadot ecosystem. Polkadot, I truly believe, will hit $100 at some point during this bull run, but that from the current price is only like a 7x gain, which is nice, and it might go beyond that, right, without a doubt, but it's kind of a good target, I think. But the ecosystem applications, they're going to give you many more X's in terms of returns. There are just so many coming out right now. Here's the good news for us. If you've bought Polkadot already, if you bought Polkadot last month, preferably, right, then you have already beat the big money crowd into Polkadot. So congratulations. Anyway, there's just some Polkadot ramblings for you. The parachain launches, it's going to be big. It's bringing a lot of excitement in. It's bringing a lot of money into the market. What Polkadot-based cryptocurrency are you most bullish on for 2021?